There are moments in a nation's story when music must rise above. Mama, this is one of them. Zarabina Mashkomdan watches Mukanya answers the call. Thomas Mapfumo to grace Japrisa's wedding in a triumph of music over noise. That was subscribed like on the bill. Dr. Thomas Mukanya Mapfumo, the Lion of Zimbabwe, the voice that carried our pain and our pride across the world, is accepted an invitation to sing at the wedding of Japres, another son of the soil, another legend. It is all right. And with that, yes, Mapfumo is reminded us why he is called Mukanya. He hears the drama of the people and he answers. There are some moments Mapfumo tries hard to express his idiocy when he meddles into politics. This time, Mapfumo rose above the craziness and accepted the offer. For the first time in his life, he has made a decision outside the influence of cannabis. What great beauty is there than to see two giants of Zimbabwean music stand on one stage, not as rivals, but as brothers? Chapresa's wedding is not a political rally, it is not a manifesto, it is love, it is family, it is celebration, it is Mutupo meeting Mutupo, culture honoring culture. The philanthropist Wycliffe Chivhayo is offered $1 million to bring Mukanya home for this historic moment, and suddenly the town cries are loud. Reject it. A man is dirty. But let us pause and ask the wisdom. When an artist is paid for services rendered, for his voice, his time, his art, does he interrogate the source of every dollar in the way a bank auditor would? From the time immemorial, kings, patrons, and business have sponsored art. The artist's duty is to create, to heal, to unite. The payment is for the gift he gives. Mapfumo is right to accept. It is family that will benefit. It is Zimbabwean promoters, sound engineers, vendors, and young artists who will benefit. It is our culture that will benefit. Those who are quickest to shout refuse on social media will be the first to extend a grateful hand if such an opportunity knocked on their own door. Let us be honest with ourselves. Doma developments are kubuda panguva ino. Pinagome section medu zofungura imo kuti pamsa pechitwa ichi. Subscribe or like, pachinotonta bell icon.